Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. I learned something new today that I want to pass on to you because it will apply to you if you've had surgery where you've been given a local anesthetic. This could be super helpful for you. So I was working with a client I've worked with for quite a while. She's very spiritually bright, healthy, connected, curious about all kinds of things, really a present, lovely person to be with. And recently she had a pacemaker put in. And so I'm going to tell you some of the things she said to me. She was looking pale and just not energetic. And these are some of the things she said to me just today in our session. Since the whole surgery thing, I'm really making no effort to get out and meet people or do things. I have a really good friend here. We lived across from each other in another city, and I've just made no effort to meet with this friend. I was at a big family gathering, really nice people, and I didn't have any interest in talking to people. Getting to know people. There were some new people from another part of the family there. She said were really nice, but she had no interest. She said, it's like I don't know who I am. I have nice and friendly neighbors. I'm not making any effort to get to know any of them. Even making appointments to see people I like to see, it just seems like too much effort. She said, it's not a very fun way to live. I want to be around people. I've enjoyed being around people my whole life. She mentioned that in the surgery for her pacemaker, they didn't give her a general anesthetic. It was just a local anesthetic, so that she said, yeah, I could feel the pressure of, being cut open. And she said, but it was like, yeah, I just didn't care. I was just there noticing, yeah, it's going on, and it was all fine. She said she also feels like I'm not afraid to die, and she's been thinking a lot about maybe I'll go soon. Kind of a lot of thinking about it. She said, not bad, just not good, just maybe I'm going to be checking out soon. I don't care, and it seems like I should. So I'm looking at her going, wow, this is so not her. So we're going through this and that with TAT, and at one point I'm talking to all of her cells, telling her things like, hey, it's okay to be full of life now, the surgery's over, you're okay. Then I took a look at her brain, and it was like, oh my goodness, the lights are out. She's just not there. Then I had the thought occur, I said, maybe it's the anesthetic you were given. Because what I know from working for so many years, like 25 years with people with allergies, is that when they're exposed to something, sometimes their body keeps reacting as though they're going to be exposed again any moment, and it's going to be traumatic and hurt them. And so I just had her do the pose, and we said to her brain and her whole body, hey, you don't have to be in the condition of keeping in that state where you're going, oh no, the anesthetic's here and whatever's happening to me, I don't really care. I said to her, brain, that happened, it's over, and you don't need to be in that condition anymore of continuing to connect with life as though the anesthetic's there. You can now totally be present in your brain and in your whole body. It's safe. That happened, it's over, you're okay. And boom, my client came totally back. All the color came back to her face, her brightness, her connection with me, her presence, everything came back. Just like that. She was so grateful, and I was so grateful that the thought even occurred to me. So that's for you in case you've had surgery or some kind of drugs for some time. You can do the TAT pose and talk to your brain, talk to all your cells and tell them, hey, that is not happening now. You're safe. It's okay to relax. And to your whole being, it's okay to be completely present in my whole brain, my whole body. And with her, I added, something like you can see the sunshine. You can respond to the bright sunshine of your own being that's emanating from your whole brain, and especially the center of your brain, and the love and brightness that's emanating from your heart. So we did that, and everything changed in that short period of time. So there you go. I hope this helps you if that's your condition. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.